Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that often gets overlooked, but is crucial for creating a truly welcoming and comfortable home: the guest bedroom decor. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. A well-decorated guest room isn't just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary for your visitors, a reflection of your hospitality, and an opportunity to showcase your design sensibilities. So let's explore how to transform your guest room from ordinary to extraordinary, one wall at a time. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is guest bedroom wall decor? It's more than just hanging a random picture. It's about curating a collection of pieces that contribute to the overall ambience of the room. It's about creating a visual story that speaks of comfort, relaxation, and thoughtfulness. The wall decor should complement the bedding, furniture, and overall style of the room, creating a cohesive and inviting space. It's about making your guests feel pampered and considered, even when they're away from home. Ultimately, it's an extension of your hospitality, demonstrating that you've put thought and effort into their stay. What are the benefits of having guest bedroom wall decor? Now, why is guest bedroom wall decor so important? The benefits extend beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, it enhances the overall atmosphere. Bare walls can feel cold and impersonal. Thoughtfully chosen decor adds warmth, character, and a sense of home. Secondly, it contributes to a relaxing environment. Calming colors, serene artwork, and strategically placed mirrors can create a tranquil space conducive to rest and rejuvenation. Thirdly, it showcases your personal style. Your guest room can be a canvas for expressing your design preferences, giving your guests a glimpse into your unique taste. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, it makes your guests feel welcome and valued. A beautifully decorated guest room signals that you've anticipated their needs and gone the extra mile to make their stay enjoyable. How do you decorate good guest bedroom wall decor? So, how do you achieve effective guest bedroom wall decor? Planning is key. Begin by considering the size and layout of the room. A large, dramatic piece might overwhelm a small space, while a collection of smaller items could get lost in a larger room. Next, think about the color palette. Stick to a cohesive scheme that complements the bedding and furniture. Neutral colors like soft grays, warm whites, and calming blues are excellent choices for guest rooms, as they appeal to a wide range of tastes. Consider the style you're aiming for: modern, traditional, bohemian, etc. This will help you select pieces that align with your vision. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures and materials, but maintain a sense of balance and harmony. Finally, remember to leave some breathing room. Avoid overcrowding the walls. A few well-chosen pieces are far more effective than a cluttered display. What are the best items for guest bedroom wall decor? Let's explore some specific items that can elevate your guest bedroom walls. Framed art prints, abstract art, landscape photography, or botanical prints can add a touch of sophistication and visual interest. Gallery wall, a curated collection of framed photos, artwork, or even decorative objects can create a focal point and tell a story. Mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can not only enhance the sense of space but also reflect light, making the room feel brighter and more airy. Wall sconces. These provide both ambient lighting and a decorative touch, adding a touch of elegance to the room. Textile art. Tapestries, macrame wall hangings, or woven textiles can add texture and warmth to the walls. Floating shelves. These provide a platform for displaying small plants, decorative objects, or even guest toiletries. Wall clocks. A stylish wall clock can be both functional and decorative, adding a touch of personality to the room. Motivational quotes or typography art. These can add a touch of inspiration and positivity to the space. Nature-inspired elements. Pressed flowers, dried leaves, or even small branches can bring a touch of the outdoors in. Personalized touches. A framed welcome note, a local map, or even a small collection of books related to your guest's interests can add a personal and thoughtful touch. Creating a welcoming guest room is an act of hospitality. By paying attention to the details, especially the wall decor, you can transform your guest room into a haven for your visitors. Remember, it's not just about filling the space, it's about creating an experience. By following these tips and incorporating your personal style, you can create a guest room that your friends and family will love. Don't forget to subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home decor inspiration and design tips. And let us know in the comments below what your favorite guest bedroom wall decor ideas are. We'd love to hear from you.